My name is Helayna Douglas. I play football and I live in Glasgow. Well, football means a lot to me because it's the majority of my life. My first memory of playing football is in my back garden. There were 2 mini sets of goals and my dad and I would play 1v1s. So I was playing with this boys team on Sundays for extra game time. The Celtic coaches would obviously come along and watch. They saw me playing and thought I was good, I'm guessing. And one of the coaches asked me to go along to the girls' training, and it went pretty well because I got signed. The first time I ever played a football match with a professional club, it was crazy. Obviously the standard level is higher than what I'd played at previously. I'd just been brought up to the Celtic under-19 squad and I'd played probably 3 or 4 games, and I woke up and we had to drive to Edinburgh because we were playing in a tournament against Hearts and Rangers. I'd been moved positions, I'd been put into centre mid, and it was 10 minutes into the game. I was outside of Rangers' box on the left-hand side, and the defensive line were playing across the pitch. One of them stepped forward and played into centre mid. I stood to turn and my studs got caught in the astro and I tore my ACL. I was thinking things like, will I ever play again? Will I ever play as well as I played previously? If I did ever play again, how long would I be out playing from? We were doing research on ACL surgery and Ross Hall came up with the internal brace procedure. Working with Professor Mackay, I had a really positive experience. He was really reassuring and really nice to work with and made me feel a lot better about the surgery and my recovery. From first contacting Ross Hall and speaking to Professor Mackay, it was a month and a half until I got my surgery. The stages of recovery for me were really quick. After the second day post-op, I was able to walk, obviously not normally, but without my crutches and without help. I was able to run probably like a light jog a couple months after surgery, which for me was amazing. So yeah, everything moved really quickly. I'm back to running and playing football mostly. I'm not back to full 11-a-side games, but that's gonna come pretty soon.